Go.
Hey guys.
Make sure you top up.
Hi. I'm gonna be showing you how to make slime.
We're going to teach you how to make slime using borax, glue, and some water. If you came to the party, you got a kit. Your kit was in this bag.
What kit? You mean the Kit Kat?
Not the Kit Kat. Show them their kit.
Candy?
Show them their kit.
What kit? This? Do
This
not eat this.
Do not eat the white powder. It's not good for you.
You mean don't smell it? What is he laughing about?
I don't know. Okay, so all you need is some toothpicks, a bowl, half a cup of water.
And then you need to put
You don't need this,
your...
but this is going to help us pour the water into the slime. And then you'll end up with this. What's on Jace's hand? Show them your slime. Show them. But like
Infinity
show like
Gauntlet.
no, not Infinity Gauntlet. Show them the slime. Like take it off. Okay. That's what we're going to make today.
I'm not taking it off.
Alright, so we're going to first mix the activator. Jace, get your activator out.
I already mixed this with activator. This one's mine?
Yes. That's fine.
Can't open it with
Here's the activator.
I'm taking this slime off.
Here.
Actually, don't make sure you put this on your hand because it's gonna leave such a big mess.
Hurry up, no one wants to see that.
You probably do.
No. Alright, then you're going to pour all of your activator into the half cup of water and mix it. Here. Alright, that's enough. Just a little bit at a time right here in the water. As you mix, you pour.
Looks like pink powder.
Yeah, there's just pink powder left over from the pink glitter that was in the tube. That'll be fine. And keep mixing. Here, just mix.
With a knife?
Yeah. Just mix, mix, mix.
I'm gonna water it.
Not right now.
Why not?
Drink some water as you mix. Alright, activator's mixed. So we're going to pour the activator into Jace's little ketchup squeezer.
Ketchup squeezer.
Yeah, that just makes it easier to pour into the slime. Ready? Pour this into there. I'll hold this carefully.
Actually, I made one of these at school.
Alright, there's our activator.
There's a little drop.
It's okay.
Feels weird.
Activator done. Next, we're going to pour the glue into the extra container. But before we pour the glue, you're going to shake up that glitter. Get the toothpick. Jace is using a toothpick.
Okay, look.
Careful, don't let it pour. Get the glitter from the bottom.
Just won't come up.
Should we use a spoon?
Uh-huh.
Alright, we're going to use a spoon.
It's literally clear. Like literally you can't get it from the bottom.
It's okay. No. It's all going in there. Alright, no. Mix it up. Don't eat the glue. Mix all the glitter from the bottom.
Oops.
It's okay. Keep going.
It feels weird.
We just want to get the glue off the bottom. Let me see.
Make sure you don't touch glue. It feels so weird.
Alright. Pour the glue into the bowl. Use a spoon. Get it all the glitter too. Use a spoon. You want to pour it all out.
Yeah, make sure you don't make a mess.
You are making the biggest mess.
You want me to wipe it
No,
on you?
no.
Where do I wipe it then? Right here? I'm gonna go wash my hands.
No, I'm gonna get your napkin. Alright, so next comes the slime. I'm gonna scoot you over.
You already
So the
did
slime. No, next we put the activator to create the slime. Jace doesn't like doing this part because it gets messy. So I'm gonna do it.
No, I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna do it?
Uh-huh.
Alright, no. You gotta use your hand. That's the part you don't like doing.
I gotta pour this in first, right?
I'm gonna pour it as you mix it. Alright, just one hand and you mix it and you do a little bit at a time. A little bit of activator and mix. Get it all. Go around in a circle. Circle.
Ow!
Circle. Keep going. Circle. Big circles all around.
Putting all over me.
I know. Keep going into the activator. You gotta mix all the activator. Go a little bit more. And you keep going until it starts to get slimy.
Mom.
Huh? Keep going.
You're not supposed to put a lot of activator.
Okay, but you're not supposed to go slow with mixing. Get all the edges.
Y'all don't want to do this part. Feels weird.
Keep going. Okay, so it's still not getting slimy, so go a little bit more water. Go. Keep going. There we go. Slime action. I see it. All the way around, get all everything. Alright, we're gonna go a little bit more. Keep going.
Looks like snow. Mom,
keep going.
Do you know what yellow snow is?
I don't want to know.
It has dog poop in it.
Nah, that's pee. Keep going. Get all that glue off the sides.
My hand is so messy.
Go.
I never want to do this again, Mom. Never, ever.
Keep going.
You shouldn't have done this. My arm is tired.
Keep going.
I don't want to do
You gotta get it, because that slime,
it's
that's the only way the
already
slime's
done.
gonna... No, it's not. Almost.
I hope you know this is mine, right?
Yeah. Keep going.
Oh.
Keep going.
If you don't know that music in the background, that's my video game.
I don't think they can hear it. It's coming along. Keep going. Mix.
Yeah, if you know the game Fortnite Battle Royale, it's such a good game.
He's repping his game. Keep going.
Send me a comment how much skins you got.
Comments. How many skins do you have?
I don't know.
Alright, we're gonna go with a little bit more activator.
What?
Go.
You're not supposed to put a lot of activator.
I know, but it's still not turning. Keep going. You gotta mix, see all that activator right there? You gotta get it all mixed in.
Gosh. Well, you should have added a lot of activator
It's almost slime.
It already is
Keep
slime.
going, mix it. It's gonna start getting off all the edges. It's gonna come into one
How's it getting off
big
the edges?
putty.
That's
Keep going.
what my hand
Hurry
is
up.
gonna be.
I know. I just wish you would mix faster because you're taking too long.
Well, my hand is tired.
Oh, well, I'm not trying to make a 1 hour long video.
Well, it's finna happen.
Go. You're not mixing anymore. You need to mix it.
Let me see.
All right, put it down. Oh my goodness.
That's you. Now I have spider webs.
No, you're gonna keep mixing it on the wax paper now.
What? Might as well get this on my other hand. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I shouldn't have not done that. Damon, you want to come wipe this off?
Alright, so we got the start of slime. Here, mix.
You mean play with it?
Yeah. But
Jesus Christ.
yeah, keep mixing, keep mixing.
I think you put too much activator.
No, if there's not enough in there.
Oh.
It's still mixing in.
How?
Cause
You want to see
don't get it on my table.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah, guys, this is a terrible slime.
It's actually kind of good.
I know, but it's sticking onto my freaking hand.
Because you gotta keep mixing it.
I'm gonna have blue snow all over my hands every day. Look at my hands. Literally.
So if you want it less sticky, you add more activator, but don't add too much because then you get...
Y'all do not want it less sticky.
Because then it won't even stretch. But this is too sticky.
What you said.
Oh. I can't even get it off here. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more.
That's my spider hand. It's so hard to get off. You know what? Can I go wash my hands, please?
Hold on.
Please.
Hold on. I'm gonna, if you add more activator, it'll come off.
How? So it's magic?
Yeah.
You know what? I just might wash my hands.
No. Yeah, look. Boom! Look at this slime. Perfect.
Or is it?
It is. Pop your finger.
Okay.
Boogers. That looks like snot. Show the camera. Looks like boogers. Oh.
Mom, get these boogers off of my hand. Booger slime.
That's snot funny, Jace.
Snot.
Snot. Get it?
Mm-hmm. Or does it work?
Well, because yours doesn't have the activator on your hand, so it's still blending, mixing.
Can I please go wash my hands?
Okay. Yes, go and then come back.
Can you pull up my pants?
No. Alright, I'm going to add just a little bit more activator because I think it's still a little too slimy. Make sure you put a lot of wax paper down. You don't want to mess up your mom's table. Just a little bit more.
Let me see.
Boom.
Let me see.
Slime. Slime-tastic.
Slime.
Sublime.
I'm gonna actually mess with that right now.
Yeah, it's on you. Alright, so we got, this was the beginning of the video. This is the new slime. This is actually like 2 weeks old, so it's starting to dry up a little bit.
Yeah, but it's still stretchy. Little bit
But
stretchy.
if you keep it in that container that it came in, clean out all that glue, this is your storage container.
It looks like
You get this.
You get this beautiful snow.
Blue snow.
Hey, Mom, catch.
No. Alright guys, thanks for coming to the party.
Camera.
Thanks for learning how to make slime with
Camera,
us.
catch.
Whoa, don't touch the camera with that. Alright guys, say bye.
Bye, guys.